If you need to recover a Roblox account but don't have the email or phone number, don't try hacks. Follow the steps. First, check if you're still logged in on another device or if the password is saved on your iPhone. Go to Settings, Passwords, search Roblox. If not, go to support.roblox.com on your phone. Then, open the contact form and choose Account Hack or Can't Log In and submit a request. Include your username, date of birth on the account, approximate account creation date, and the last time you log in. Device type you use and any purchase receipts or transactions IDs. Attach the screenshots of receipts or payment method statements if you have them. You have to wait for Roblox support to verify and restore access. Then, immediately update the account email and enable two-step verification. And that's it.